This is Saul Castaneda with Mcscgreenwheels here at home, and it's about 6 o'clock. It's dark, rainy, and cold. So what we're going to do right now, we're setting up Sergeant Reckless because we're about to install the torque armbar, pan armbar to it from Maximum Motorsports. Right now we're just prepping them. It's actually pretty good for the tires. It doesn't give them flat spots. It's cold here right now. You always want to keep your car off. If you're not using it, especially like this guy, we're not planning on using them too often. You know, mostly shows or wherever it goes out to museum pieces. When I say that, it's the overall view of Sergeant Reckless is he's a big part of an artistic piece. We are bringing piece by piece to you, so you see it all coming together. This is part of a war diary that we're going to have also placed on them. We're going to a lot of various things that we're going to do for Sergeant Reckless, so you guys stay tuned for it. Right now, we're just setting them up on jack stands, getting them up ready in the air. It's a little bit of a challenge because we're going to be welding too, so we're going to have to improvise on that and not getting burned in the face. But it is what it is. We work with what we have to, and we continue to move forward. Cool. Today was to get the car up in the air. We don't want to. These are brand new tires all the way around. We don't want to just have them sitting on on the ground. You don't want flat spots on them. So we want to get them off the ground, number one, and then not only that, we're going to remove them for the installation of the torque armbar. So basically, we're just going to get it up in the air, and we're going to get our stuff together for the torque armbar, and then we're going to come back and we're going to start to remove control arms, tires, quad shocks, springs. Stay tuned for the video, guys. We won't be doing that today. We'll be getting at it next week. Stay tuned for the video. Thank you, everyone on YouTube, Instagram, for following and subscribing. Don't forget to subscribe. Everyone on Facebook, thank you very much for all the support, guys. If you have any information and makes this a little easier for us, drop us a line, guys. We'll see you soon.